Hello, I am Cassidy Garrett, a fellow student in your English 3410 class, and this is About Adobe Xd. I will be giving you a brief introduction to the program and showing you how to create a simple web page and then resize it for a mobile phone. Adobe Xd is a vector-based user experience design program that allows people to create interactive prototypes for websites, mobile apps, and other platforms, and then share them with others. One unique thing about Xd is it allows for integrated design with other Adobe programs such as Photoshop and After Effects. It can be used for web design, app design, brand design, or even game design. However, in this video, I will be focusing on web design. Some affordances of Xd are its level of integration with other programs, the flexibility it offers for design, and its cross-platform compatibility. Constraints include its high cost and the fact that it can't produce complete working products on a large scale, but rather only prototypes. These prototypes then need to be fully developed using another program in order to become marketable products. The people who use this technology are mainly UX designers. You don't have to have any programming experience to use it, as you can edit elements and features without knowing how to code. This could be considered a WYSIWYG editor. It is sophisticated enough to be used for professional-looking prototypes. However, there is a bit of a learning curve because it's an Adobe program. This program is relevant to the field of technical communication because it allows for infinite creative prototypes to take shape. It can serve as the background on which to present ideas to teams and get your vision across. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create a portfolio page with imported text and then how to resize the design for a mobile phone. You would use this feature anytime you are creating content that you want to display in a uniform manner across multiple platforms, for example, websites, apps, or other user experiences. To create the design, first open Adobe Xd and double-click Web. Next, create the background for the page using the rectangle tool. Make sure it fits the artboard size. You can change the color of the background over on the right-hand side of the screen. Using the rectangle tool again, create a banner for the top of the page, making sure the edges line up. Then, using the text tool, create a title for the page by double-clicking within the banner. Select your title, and we can change the formatting to something more appropriate in the panel on the right. Then we'll use the selector tool to center the text. Next, using text we've copied from a Word document, I'll go ahead and right-click on our page to paste it. Just like we did for the banner, we will drag the edges to meet. And just like we did for the title, we can format the text. Finally, to resize the page for a mobile phone, select all the elements we've just created, and then press the plus sign over in the component panel. This groups the items into a component we can duplicate and edit. We'll make sure the component is selected, zoom out so we can see, and then duplicate it by pressing Alt and clicking and dragging the title. We'll now create a new artboard by selecting the artboard tool, and then the iPhone 13 size. Using the selector tool again, click and drag this artboard into place, and right-click to send it to the back. We'll make sure the resize artboard is selected, and that responsive resize is flipped on. Then we'll click and drag the component to fit on the iPhone screen. I'll delete the artboard we just needed for resizing. Now we have two artboards showing the same content on two different platforms. You can fine-tune the scrolling and behavior of individual elements further if you like. This is a small example of the powerful prototyping tool that is Adobe Xd. I recommend that you learn more about Xd because it's a great tool for creating interactive experiences at the speed of thought, as Adobe claims. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a lovely day and I wish you the best of luck in all your technical communicative endeavors.